Good morning, guys. Mike, aka Crypto Jewels here. This morning, I am going to go over MAHADAO. It is a small cap coin on KU Coin, which KU Coin is where I trade most of my trading bag, my altcoins. I think KU Coin has a hell of a good selection of small cap coins, which is really where I focus a lot of my effort on, because I think you can get the most gains in small cap coins. But anyways, today we're going to go over MAHA. So as always, I am not a financial advisor. I do this for educational and entertainment purposes only. I hope you guys enjoy the content. If you do, subscribe to the channel, like the video, give me feedback of what you do like, what you don't like, and hit the notifications button to get notified of any videos that I post. All right, let's dive in, guys. All right, so this is MAHA. I view on MAHA from a high time frame here, I view this entire move here as a complex WXY corrective wave. And then I view this the beginning of our first impulsive leg up, which I'm assuming is going to be in a bullish trend. Therefore, I'm assuming this is going to be a 5-wave cycle up. So let's dive in. A little deeper. All right. So here's how I'm viewing this current count. I'm viewing this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's change that to a minuscule and let's make it orange. All right. So like I said, again, this is a corrective wave. This is a WXY, so it's a complex correction, which we have not got into yet. I have got into ABC corrections in detail yesterday morning. I'll post a link right up here on the top right hand corner of this video, just right up here. So you guys can click it if you guys want to jump right to that to understand typical ABC patterns. It's a really good video, goes into some decent detail, and it'll help you guys understand and navigate through a correction so you guys don't freak out. Anyways, back to the chart. So here we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is on the micro scale. So this is a sub wave of your macro wave 1. So this creates your wave 1, right? So then here I'm seeing this as a correction down to 2. Let's throw the fibs on it to check it out and see what it looks like. So to find your 2-wave entry, you take your fib retracement tool from the bottom of 1 up to the top of 1, or would also be the top of a 5-wave, since a 1-wave consists of 5 subwaves. And then that should, what I always say is it should correct anywhere from 382 down to 618. As you see, this hit 618 level here at $3.56. It actually just went slightly underneath it, and now it's starting to bounce up from here. So that looks like a good correction to me. Now this could be a couple different things. This could be an A, B, C here, end of correction, or this could be some sort of a complex correction that's going to, maybe continue to accumulate and consolidate down here for a little bit. But either way, I feel like this corrective wave from a price action standpoint shouldn't go too much lower than, 334, 335-ish, something like that. So this is, I feel like this is, at least close to the bottom. So the next wave up here will be your macro 3. And the way we get that, again, is from the fib retracement tool. I'm sorry, the trend-based fib tool, which you take it from the bottom of your one, and you go to your five wave structure up to the top of your one, down to the bottom of your two. 3 waves typically run 1, 6, 1, 8, which is right here, which is where I have it. I mark my 3s with a yellow line to indicate to me that is a 3, a macro 3, or a 3 of some degree on some level. This happens to be the macro 3 that I'm seeing here. And that macro 3 is at $20. So from where we're at right now, I'm seeing this going at 450% roughly, at minimum. Once we hit that macro 3, we should have some sort of a correction. I got my entry there at 4 based on my fib retracement tool. So you take the bottom of 2 to get your 4 entries. You take your bottom of 2, go to the top of 3, which again, this is a 5-wave subwave structure to make a 3. I have got this correcting down here around 0.5, not going all the way down to 6.8, but it could. And then from there, I have it finishing its final leg up to about $64, $65. So that is a 1,500% gain from where we are now. I think that's realistic. This is a small cap. The market cap on this thing is, let's see, I think it's just a couple million, but let's double check real quick here. MAHADAO market cap is 11.5 million on this guy. I imagine a good comparison from a price action standpoint for this would be Trias. The tokenomics of it are very similar to Trias as far as the market cap when Trias was around this price level, and the supply of the coin itself. So I really like this one. I think this is a great investment. This is one that I do own. I have no intentions of selling this. I do have stops in place, of course, just for your traditional risk management, which I always suggest, which I'll do a video on risk management at some point here. But anyways, I have got this thing, and my first target is around $20. That's where I will sell, and then I will try to buy back on the 4, and then hold up for another leg. Potentially depending on what the market looks like, where we're at. If there's other coins that look better, I might not get back into it, but I will definitely be holding this till $20. Hope you guys like it, and see y'all later.